Adria, and today I wanted to do another type of decluttering video. The last decluttering videos I did were the 30 bags in 30 days challenge. It was really fun, but I don't think I have that much stuff to declutter. Not only that, but that took, it was fine. It was just a little bit more time consuming, like lengthwise. And what I want to do today is something, I think there's like another system like this that's similar, but I'm going to call it the 20 item dash. And so you don't even have to do this every day or anything like that. There's no requirement. But when you do set time aside to declutter, I want to bring out and get rid of 20 items from your house and get it out. So it's either donating, selling, or even throwing away. I want to get 20 items and throw them or get them out of this apartment. So for the first item we're going to do are these here. I never use these at all, so I'm going to count all of these as one item. Okay, so that's item number one. Okay, so for this next area down here, I don't even think I'm in frame. I know there's some stuff that I want to get rid of in here. Let's just take everything out and figure that out. So this bin has a whole bunch of like water bottles and stuff like that. So I want to get rid of a few things in here. I know that. So the first one is this one. So this is number 2. We don't use this one. So I think I'm going to get rid of this. So that's 3. It's just one of those shaker bottles. This is also a little broken and it doesn't hold, so when you shake it, you have to hold this. And I have a purple one that works just fine. So we're getting rid of that. And then we are going to get rid of these. These are from Big Daddy's. We can always just go to Big Daddy's. It's in Austin, Texas. And it's a really good burger place, but I think we're going to get rid of those. So that's 4. Alright, we're also going to get rid of this one too. Don't really use it that often, and it's kind of like peeling. We got this for free at like a job fair. And that's all of them there, and all more of them can fit in that basket. Okay. Let's go change locations. Okay, I had to get a stool, sorry. So, few things up here. I'm not sure. I went through this already, but that was a while ago. So, I'm just going to go through everything real quick. What the heck? That's very greasy, and I don't know why. So I'm going to wash this, and then figure out if I'm going to keep this one. Yeah, so I'm going to keep everything in here. This is all of like my baking and stuff, so I'm going to keep that. This one, however, is a whole hodgepodge of things. So we're going to go through that. We use this once a year. We're keeping that. This, I'm not even sure if it's in frame. This we bought, and we're not using it the way it intended because it was like slipping in, or like we used it for oil. And so it wasn't really working out the way we wanted to. So I think we're going to be giving this away. Okay. We're going to keep that. This we're keeping, but I'm going to put in this container with the rest of the baking stuff. Can we fit back in there? Yes. Okay. So I'm going to very often. I'm going to wash that and keep it. And this has to stay because it's from the apartment complex. So we just keep it here because we don't usually use the ice maker. So that has to stay there. Okay, so as I've been going through and doing my nails, I've been running across a few nail polishes that are dry and clumpy when I put them on. So I'm going to get rid of this Claire's Cosmetics. This is actually the first nail polish I've ever gotten, so it's long overdue a declutter. So this is Claire's Cosmetics Crush, and it's just this orange sparkly color. This one I got from a Birchbox. It's Ruby Swing. I used the majority of it anyway. And this one is Mini Poppy, and it's one of those, like, it changes in the sun. I really like that one. I'm thinking about seeing if I can purchase this one. And this one was one of those cheapo ones that you get in the sets during Christmas, and this one's pretty much done. And it's pretty much done, but it's also, like, clumpy. So that's that one. Okay, so down here, I'm not sure if the lighting's right. Down here, I'm probably going to do a video on organization, but I'm going to get rid of a few products just because I'm not really using them, and some of them are really old. So these I need. Those are medicines. Let's see if there are any expired ones. That's expired. That's expired. I think this one's expired too. Yeah, this one's expired. These are needs my insulin stuff. This is my morning routine stuff, my nighttime routine stuff, or my after shower routine stuff. Is that this one? No, this is my morning, this is my after shower. This one I'm getting rid of. It's because it's like pretty much, I didn't like the formula. It's very liquidy. And so I didn't like this at all. I got this from the Dollar Tree. So I'm getting rid of that. And I think that's it for down here. Let me double check. Yeah, that's it for down here. Okay. Okay, so for the top ones here, I don't think I have to get rid of any of these. We use these two drawers pretty often. I am probably going to get rid of a few of these combs. I got them from the Dollar Tree, and a lot of them are very flimsy. So I think I'm going to get rid of the flimsy ones and keep the ones that are pretty sturdy. Okay. These I'm going to keep. Those I'm going to keep. Alright, so let's go see how many items I have. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, so close. I need one more. Let me just go get an item really quick that I want to get rid of, and I need to stop kicking that. And here makes number 20. But yeah, that is everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think I'm going to continue doing this every time I want to declutter. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe. If you're already subscribed, don't forget to hit that notification bell because I do these kinds of videos ever so often, especially on this channel. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!